Hey, Kiana.
I'm not doing this.
Let me see your nail. Good morning.
Oh, they so cute.
No, let me see your nail. Show them the nail I gotta repair.
Bang, bang.
He like you.
Yes, they got skin. Okay. Good, man.
Oh, is the light too bright?
It's hell. Like, I wish you did.
Hold up, y'all. Let me focus in. Ayy.
That's what
That thing.
You ain't told them the background history before you post this, too.
Hold up.
Tell me, you know,
Kiana. I know. I was watching YouTube videos.
crazy.
Yeah. So, Kiana broke her nail while she was on the date. The nail just popped off. So, she had some super glue. How about the nail is broken? Look at this shit. How it's super good. Can they see it?
Mm-hmm.
That shit.
It was a little crooked. Okay, I was rushing and he was mad, but I'm like, he only put 20 in the tank. So if he would have put 40, I would have had enough time to put
Lord
on
have
that
mercy. That is so funny. We're about to go cook breakfast. Oh, y'all, say hi to Maverick. Say hi. Say hi, Vog. He try to act brand new. Y'all know he be trying to say hi. Kiana, look at me.
Hey, yo, I know it don't match me too, but I'm just
Kiana.
practicing.
Why?
For when
That. Oh, bitch, don't you.
it don't go.
Oh, my God.
I see.
I am about to have a whole. I am about to have a whole fucking conniption here, you guys. This is the most asinine shit ever.
I watch you.
Look at this.
I should someone tell me don't call your stupid ass.
Hold up. Hold up. My stupid ass?
It's not my. I ain't too far.
Bitch,
over.
you look like you're trying to be blackface. This is racism right now.
You are a lie. I am not that damn white. I can go for brown now. You tripping?
I can't, y'all.
Thank you.
I cannot.
No, come on. Do my name.
And I can't see.
Said it was on it. All right.
Sorry, guys, for my messy table. It's Kiana's fault. I am giving her, fixing her one nail for her. Oh, that hurts. We gotta hurry up. You almost done, sweetheart. Calm down.
I just need some wine.
Okay, Alki. 120, you know how many minutes that is.
I thought that was 90. How
It's
you go
9.
from 90 to that? There
Let me see. Show them my nail.
Ooh.
No, show all of them.
You said something your name.
But I did this one, you guys. So I probably should have shaped it like this a little bit, but she acting like she can't. Like she need to go downstairs.
Yeah.
Because I could have shaped it more narrow. But I feel like...
It's cute.
What?
Hold
on, wait. Let me take a picture.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hold, put your hand right there and let me take a picture.
Hold on, this is what you do, because you don't know nothing about it.
Oh, fancy. Oh, fancy. Okay, bye. Grip dickers. You be gripping them dicks.